Hello and welcome to Thursday. Now, something got on my radar today that I'm super excited to kind of look into, and that would be a program called copyparty. Now, copyparty is a crazy program, and this is obviously too bright because of course it is a crazy program. This is a single Python script that only needs you to have Python installed. That's all you need. You download the script, run it, and the most insane thing happens. Instantly, you have a file server that is extremely robust. There's a video to go along with it, and I will link that down in the description. But I was messing with this earlier, and oh my gosh, this thing is insane. Basically, it allows you to, oh god, like going through the features, it's just crazy the amount of stuff that you can do. It supports multi-threading. It supports FTP, SFTP, WebDAV, SMB, CIFS, so many things. Reverse proxy. There is a. It works on literally everything. If it can run Python, it can run this web server. Or, yeah, I guess it is a web server because you go to it, you access it through a web browser, and you just send it files. You can play back files. You can download. You can view it in the browser. It can do everything that basically Google Drive can, or Dropbox, or whatever you want to use, and it does it instantly and just easily, which is crazy. You can download shares as a folder. You can make zips, and it's just done on the fly. It actually looks like a file system as opposed to other shares, and it's just kind of crazy and insane. Where you can use any browser. I think they tested on Windows 2000. It's like the oldest they tested on in browsers for that operating system, and it's just crazy what can be done, right? There's so many different things. uh it's, you don't need a database. It just runs from a script that is currently, let's see the file size of the script. It is somewhere I had it for a moment. If I go to the get started and then just run the file, it is 801 kilobytes. That might seem a lot for a script, and it is, but it is less than a megabyte, and it is an extremely robust file copying server. Like, you can just run it on anything. You can just toss the script anywhere, immediately run it, and boom, you have a server. And because the guy who wrote it on his phone, it works on Termux, which is an Android app that allows you to run Python scripts. You can run this script on your phone and then have people connect to your phone and just drag and drop files like that. And that's crazy. It's absolutely insane the things that you can do with this. And I just messed around with it just a little bit, right? There's even an Android app on F-Droid called Party Up, which I have used a little bit. There's still a bunch of stuff that I need to figure out, right? You can go into the config files and just refine it further. But as of this recording, the video's only been out for 6 to like a week. I think like 6-ish days. So there's still a lot to be done, but if you just keep this on your radar for like the next month or so, you'll be insanely impressed with how just amazing, and the progress and just everything that will be done with this little program. And that's so cool. It's really neat, and I'm excited to see if I'll ever use this, because it very much seems like, yeah, this is something that I want to use in the future, just to have like a simple file server that anybody can upload to and just start using, because that's crazy. That's just insane. Anyway, I think that might be it for today. Go check out copyparty, and yeah, it turns any like the tagline is, it turns almost any device into a file server with resumable uploads and downloads using any web browser. And if I click on any, if it'll work, click on any. Let's see. Internet Explorer 6, 9, 10, 11, Firefox, Chrome, iOS, Android, and they've tested so many different things. It's just, there's other eccentric web browsers that they have. Lynx, W3M, NetSurf, Opera, IE4, Mosaic, Serenity OS, Sony PSP, and a 3DS as well. I'm gonna go test my 3DS, and that's what I'm gonna call it for today. So, thank you all for watching. I hope to see you tomorrow, and until then, later.